Now we have to print this star pattern. This star pattern, in first row we have 4 stars, then we have 3, then 2, and then 1. So hash include stdio.h int main. Now we are taking two integer variables I and j. Now I'm starting my for loop. For in first row we have to print 4 stars, then 3, then 2, then 1. Number of stars are decreasing gradually. So here inside for I equals to 4. If we have 5 stars in first row, then we have to start it with I equals to 4. Semicolon, I is greater than equals to 1. Semicolon, I minus minus. Then for j equals to 1, semicolon, j is less than equals to I, semicolon, j plus plus. Here we have to print star. Printf within double quotes I have given asterisk, put semicolon, and here you give backslash n. And in the and return 0. So first we'll run this program, build it, and then run it. So it has printed our star pattern. So how it is running? Initially the value of I is 4, because in first row we have 4 stars. I is greater than equals to 1, condition is true. Now j is starting with 1. J is less than equals to I, that means 1 is less than equals to value of I is 4. It has printed first star. Again it will go up, increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 4, condition is again true, then it will print this second star. Then it will again go up and increase the value of j by 1, making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 4, condition is true, it will print third star. Again it will go up, it will make value of j as 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 4, not less than but equals to, so it will print fourth star. Again it will go up, make the value of j as 5. Now 5 is less than equals to 4, condition is false, so it will come to next line. So here it will come. Next it will again go up to the external for loop and decrease the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is greater than equals to 1, condition is true. Now again j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print first star. Now here j is 2, 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print second star. Again here value of j will increase by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, it will print third star. So 3 stars are printed here in the second row. Again it will go up, making it 4. 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false, so it will come to next line. So here it comes. Again it will go to external for loop and decrease the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is greater than equals to 1, condition true. Again j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 2, it will print for first star. Again value of j is 2, 2 is less than equals to 2, condition is true, it will print second star. Again it will be 3, 3 is less than equals to 2, condition is false, so it will come to next line, so it will come here. This way this loop will run till value of I is greater than equals to 1. When this condition gets false, program terminates. Next pattern which we have to print is this. In first row we have 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, then 1 2, and then 1. Here we can see that in column 1 it is printing 1, in column 2 it is printing 2, in column 3 it is 3, and in column 4 it is 4. So let's get started with coding. Hash include stdio.h int main, I'm taking integer variables I and j. Now I'm starting for loop. For I equals to, we have to start I with 4, semicolon I is greater than equals to 1, semicolon I minus minus. For j equals to 1, semicolon j is less than equals to, it will run up to I, semicolon j plus plus. Now here I am printing the value of j, because j is for, outer for loop is for row and internal for loop is for column, and here we can see we are printing columns. So here printf j, percentage t, comma, here it is j. J is printed. And to go to next line, outside internal for loop will give new line character. Printf backslash n and put semicolon here. Save the program and build it. Put semicolon here. So it has printed our pattern. In first row it is 1 2 3 4, second row it is 1 2 3, then 1 2 and then 1. Now how this program is running? In first row we have to print 1 2 3 4. So we have taken I equals to 4, 4 is greater than 1. Now it comes to internal for loop, initializing j with 1, j, that is 1 is less than equals to 4, it has printed here 1. Again it will go up making j 2, now 2 is less than equals to 4, condition true, then it will print here 2. 3, 3 is less than equals to 4, it will print 3. 4, 4 is less than equals to 4, it will print 4. Now 5, 5 is less than equals to 4, condition false, then it will come to next line. So here it has printed this line, now it has come to starting of this line. Again it will go to external for loop and decrease the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is greater than equals to 1, condition true. Now again j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print 1. J is 2, 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print 2. 3, 3 is less than equals to 3, it will print 3. 4, 4 is less than equals to 3, condition is false. So it will go to next line. Again it will come here in external for loop and decrease the value of I from 3 to 2. Now 2 is greater than equals to 1, condition true. Again j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 2, it will print 1. Again j is 2, 2 is less than equals to 2, it will print 2. 3, 3 is less than equals to 2, condition false, it will come to next line. This way it has printed this line. And again it will come here, it will decrease the value of I by 1, making it 1. And again internal for loop will run till this condition becomes false. So this is going to print our this pattern. Next pattern we have to print is 4 4 times, 3 3 times, 2 2 times and 1 1 time. So we can see that here it is printing rows in reverse order 1 2 3 and 4. So coding for it is hash include stdio dot h int main. I'm taking two integer variables, integer I and j. Here I'm starting my for loop for I equals to, I'm starting it with 4, 4 semicolon I is greater than equals to, it will run up to 1 semicolon I minus minus. Now I'm starting my internal for loop for j equals to, I will start it with 1 semicolon j is less than equals to I semicolon j plus plus. Here I am printing printf percentage t comma, here we are printing rows. So for rows we take external for loop, and here I will be printing I, and here printf within double quotes \n to go to new line. Now save your program. Now build it and then run. So it has printed our pattern. In first line 4 times, 3, next line 3 times, in third line 2 times, and in fourth line 1 times. So how it is running? Initially the value of I is 4, 4 is greater than or equals to 1. Now j is initialized to 1, 1 is less than or equals to 4, it will print I. Value of I is 4. Now j is 2, 2 is less than or equals to 4, again it will print 4. 3 is less than or equals to 4, it will print 4. 4 is less than or equals to 4, it will print I, that is 4. Again j is 5, 5 is less than or equals to 4, condition is false, so it will come to new line. So till now it has printed first row. Now it will go to external for loop and decrease the value of I by 1. Initially it was 4, now it is 3. Now 3 is greater than or equals to 1. Now again j is 1, 1 is less than or equals to 3. Again it will print 3. J is 2, 2 is less than or equals to 3, it will print 3. 3 is less than or equals to 3, again it will print 3. And this loop, internal for loop, will continue till this condition gets false, and external for loop will continue till this condition gets false. When this condition gets false, our program terminates and will get this pattern.